A line graph shows the relationship between two variables. This line graph shows the effect of temperature on amylase activity. Data points, each representing a set of data for two variables, are marked on graph paper. By joining the data points, a clearer trend can be shown. We should always draw line graphs on graph papers. Now, let us learn how to draw a line graph to present the data in this table. First, draw the y-axis and the x-axis on a graph paper. Then, mark the independent variable on the x-axis. That is the temperature. Write down the unit. Mark the dependent variable on the y-axis. That is amylase activity. Write down the unit. Both axes should cover the entire range of measurements. Use uniform scales for the axes. Draw a cross to represent each data point. The plot should cover at least half of the graph paper. Join the points with short straight lines. Do not join the origin if there is no data for that point. Finally, give a title to the line graph. When we predict a gradual change, we can use a smooth curve to join the points. If we expect that the variables have a linear relation, we draw a line of best fit instead.